Okonomiyaki is a Japanese savory pancake. Okonomi means things you like, and yaki just a pan grilling. As you can see here, the ingredients very simple and easy to make. You need 3/4 cup of flours and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And of course you can have corn, shrimp, carrots and green onions. Pretty much whatever you like you can put in the okonomiyaki. And the main ingredient here, we need a cabbage and the eggs. So let's start do some cutting work. Cutting green onion in small pieces to mix with the other ingredients. You also want to cut some green onion, green. Is that how they call? Anyway, you need something for the garnish. And of course, we need to cut the carrots as well. Cutting cabbage is a little bit challenging. You may want to use some tool to help you, and also you can use a blender. So here we want to cut it a small strip. That's pretty much all the cutting works. Now we can start mixing. So we mix the flours and baking soda and the rest of the ingredient. You can add mashed Nagaimo and Dashi Stock. This is more traditional Japanese way to make it, but if you don't have, that's fine too. Let's do the simplified version, which means just a mix it with the water. As I say, okonomiyaki, basically you can add whatever you like. So if you like bacon, you can add bacon. If you like ham, you add ham. So you mix all the ingredients together and just add a little bit salt and pepper. Now it's ready to cook. Just use the pan you have and add a little bit of oil and put everything you just mixed and just slowly form it into the circle, or you can form it a square if you like. Doesn't really matter. Crack eggs on top of it and carefully let it cover the whole cake. Let it cook for 5 minutes on this side in medium heat. Then we can flip to the other side for another 5 minutes. About 10 minutes in total. It's pretty quick. Now we can add a little bit Okonomiyaki sauce, and then we can add mayonnaise. Please keep in mind using Japanese mayonnaise. It does taste different. Covering with the Bonito Flakes and the green onion as a garnish, then we're done. Easy and tasty Japanese pancake. Okonomiyaki, どうぞ.